Choose between running the generator with the gasoline fuel tank or hooking up to an LP tank. Easily switch between fuels without shutting down thanks to the continuous power fuel selector. Get up to 4,000 surge watts of immediate power, followed by 3,100 watts of continuous power. Enjoy consistent, reliable power with the automatic voltage regulation and voltmeter. Easily access the control panel with 5 outlets plus a 12-volt DC outlet. And safely run sensitive electronics with less than 5% total harmonic distortion. Start it up easily with the electric start and recoil backup. Take it where you need to go on the included wheel kit with flat-free tires. Get the perfect blend of convenience and clean power with this dual fuel generator